Welcome to the Mangaldan National High School. One of the biggest and most prominent high schools in the world. Come and join me as we explore the beauty of this school. The magnificent centennial building facing the huge quadrangle. Grounds covered with strong and modern buildings. Structured classrooms. Enormous fees with faculty and staff that renders outstanding services prove that Mangaldan National High School emerges as the most remarkable public high school. You have to know the whole story. Let's take a look back at the past. The Mangaldan National High School had its early beginning after the end of Asia-Pacific War in 1945. Realizing the urgent need for a high school, prominent local public officials and civic-spirited citizens, led by Attorney Daniel Franeza, the mayor of Mangaldan, was opened on February 24, 1945. Its running site, which comprises 9.6 hectares, was purchased and partly donated by prominent citizens in the town. In its infant days, classes were temporarily held in the municipal building. As the enrollment increased, there was a need to construct a school building with the aid of Parents Teachers Association on account with engineer Jose S. Benton, and finally settled in full with the proceeds realized from fundraising campaigns sponsored by the student body and the teaching staff. To tell you a story, meet a well-respected woman who happens to be a living witness of the Mangaldan National High School's past.
Chef, Mangaldan National High School can stand as one division. That's how powerful, very powerful Mangaldan National High School.
The school has grown steadily through the years, and today it is a panorama of well-structured buildings and comprehensive achievements. Much of the improvements were due largely to the deep concern of the alumni of MNHS.
Mangaldan National High School is the house of excellence. Students from its different curriculum including special science class, special program in journalism, special program in arts, special program in mathematics, and the regular class are indeed competitive. They even compete to regional, national, or even international level. Mangaldan National High School will always be Pangasinan's pride.
The splendid performance of the retired principals and the staff in working for excellence in this past not only in the academics but likewise in sports and other courses leading to gainful trades is a feat for the present principal, Dr. Rosalino T. Agpalo Jr., to continue through the years who himself is an educational leader and achiever. This early has set significant directions to the school's continuing growth and development that is truly responsive in a globally competitive world.
SPJ building, and soon we will be having additional buildings of our school. Hopefully, that will contribute to the shortage of classroom in our school. That will be given by the PPP projects, because PPP, because it's a private-public partnership, that will give us 28 plus 16 plus 6, 22 classrooms. We have 22 classrooms from the PP project, and we are awaiting that for construction. We have also another coming project which is the 10 classroom four-story building. This actually four-story building, and soon to be built will be, besides the SPJ, is a 12 classroom building. For 6, 8, it's 14 because it's 6. We have improved also the infrastructure, as well as we are establishing a food court for the school established by constructed by the co-op, so that our teachers will be, instead of sending main things during the classes, they are going to patronize our food court and groceries, our food, so that they can concentrate in teaching. So they have dividends to be given when they are going to patronize our canteens. With our number of students, we think they will be also they should contribute also for this development of our cooperative system. Number one will be our students themselves, because we are very proud of our students from the National High School. Then recently we have the Bakbakan, diba? The Bakbakan, we are first in the division and second in the national competitions, and many more. And the fact that we have the trophies there, these are evidences and trophies being displayed there are all the achievements of ours, those are collections during the success, many success stories we will be proud of at Mangaldan National High School. And so on, our project for the total development of our individuals here at Mangaldan National High School, because we will be having our own athletic band. Our message to students, for me, I'm asking them to study, because this will bring them to their aspirations and risk for their future. And do not forget that they will pray always, that will be with them always. They could make it
Here, you can make it anywhere.
Thank you for visiting the Mangaldan National High School. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.